A man is in custody following the discovery of an illegal slaughterhouse in St. Catherine yesterday. The discovery has led to concerns about some of the meats being sold to consumers. More in this report.
The site of an unsanitary slaughterhouse in an area called Capture Land in St. Catherine. Members of the Pradial larceny team from the St. Catherine North Police Division were on patrol when they made the discovery.
On approaching a zinc up area, men were seen running from that location. 3 men, they were chased, 1 was held. He was taken back to the location where he ran from, and we came upon unregulated slaughterhouse. We have 5 pigs were seen slaughtered on the ground, and 4 slaughtered goats were seen hanging from the roof.
The meat and food industry are vulnerable to a variety of diseases that can manifest in food processing areas through unhygienic practices. It's why DSP Bernard is concerned about the amount of meat sold from the unregulated business.
In times like these, especially COVID time now, we need to ensure that food security and food safety is paramount. We want to warn these persons who want to do butchering, but this man is known. He traveled from butchers to butchers and helped to kill the animals. We want to use the opportunity to warn these butchers who are licensed and regulated. Be careful who you employ on the farm.
He expects the man held in connection with the find will be charged.
He can be charged for unlawful possession, unregulated slaughterhouse. He doesn't have a permit to slaughter. He doesn't have a butcher's license, and he does not have a food angler's permit.
In the meantime, this appeal to Jamaicans.
Be careful where you purchase your meat, who you purchase it from. Do some due diligence and ensure that you are buying your meat from reputable persons.
Anthony Lug, TVJ News.